Well, the first house we're at this tour is in Lane Oaks. This is a spec home. It's a new build, and we are in a situation where we may get some thunderstorms, so let's go in right quick and take a look at this house. There is not much telling what kind of comments you're going to hear, but let's go right quick.
$4.75. Wonder if you need these with jalapeno. $4.75.
Now the cool thing about a tour is realtors get fed. So when you feed us, we hang around longer and we look at more things. What's going on the deck?
Oh, nice. All right, ladies, smile.
Pretty nice place.
Come on, get in here.
All right, we're going to go back inside. We are getting ready to head to the next house, but this is pretty neat. Hello, Stanford. How are you, John? We're doing great. We're heading to the next house. Now we're in Pinnacle Club looking at this house, and it is listed at $1.4 million, I believe.
Could you stop while we walk to the back?
Sorry. We believe in freedom of video. Now let's go inside and take a quick look at this.
The cabinets over here were like this black, crackly gold. That's all we painted. Almost started. They had it all, a bunch of new landscaping added. So, and they reduced the price from even more than what it was before. $1,395. So it was like $1,700,000. It was like $1,000,000 something. I don't know. Anyways, we got it at a much more manageable price. Main house is like 4,811 square feet, and this house is 3,252 square feet. You know, you could divide.
Oh, we're gonna walk around. Hey, look at this fountain. Isn't that something? This has a guest house with it. Got a pool, outdoor fireplace. Like I say, we're in Pinnacle, so this is pretty awesome. Guest house is right there. Pretty neat. And look at those water views. Yeah, like I said, this is the guest house. This is the main house. Let's go take a look at the inside.
Stand there and warm your buns. That's right.
Great kitchen. Dining area. Upstairs. Now there's some pretty cool houses here at Cedar Creek Lake. Got a bar right there. Winding staircase. Fireplace. Little piano. There's your view out there. Amazing.
It's a doggy door.
Okay.
The doggy door.
And sensors whenever they're on here.
Master bedroom.
Yes, I'm sure she would. Except for sometimes they clean it.
In there too.
I guess you guys didn't have to worry about cleaning, somebody else is gonna clean it.
Yeah.
Now we're in the guest house. Here's your view here. Like I say, when we're in these houses on tour, we're here about 5 minutes, but this is 2 houses. We're gonna look around and we're gonna head off to the next one. Pretty amazing. Got the upstairs there. Yeah, this would be difficult. This is for the just pretty amazing. Well, on to the next house. Now we're on to house number 3. We are in Star Harbor, and we're going to take a look at this waterfront home. Rain's past. Star Harbor's pretty cool because it does have its own little golf course. Let's go take a look at this house. Downstairs, kitchen area, again. Wow, look at this view. Like I say, when you get a bunch of agents, we all go in, look at different things, talk about stuff.
Y'all be careful on the floor. Here. Yes, ma'am. Oh, it's a big yard.
Look at that
How big
boathouse.
that yard is.
Look at that tree.
Oh, there's a big bar down there. There's a huge bar down there. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah. Wow. What an office.
Isn't that her, that's her art studio. You
Yeah.
have to go in. John, we don't all want to be on your video.
Ah, it's too late. And this would be cool.
I'm taking a picture of you. You're going to take pictures of all of us. You deserve a picture of you.
Go inside. There's Miss Brenda. She doesn't talk much. Okay, so we're going to go see the next house. Well, we're actually at the same house. I just came downstairs and wow, look at that view.
Go to the rack here, and then there is a half bath over here. And I'm going to open this up, make
Little
sure
pool
everybody
table.
sees the outdoor kitchen.
Their stairs goes up.
You can access the patio.
Her family.
Go away, John.
Yeah, we're just like a bunch of ants. We roam all over. It's downstairs. This is pretty nice. I want to go see that outdoor kitchen. Let's go see it.
But, if you want it back to the but you just move the runners out.
All the workings are
Excuse me.
behind the curtain.
Watch out here.
Well, it's good here.
Oh my goodness.
It's nice. So just need a little bit of
Wow.
fantastic water, great view, beautiful lot. 2 lots. It's we had Calvin Jones actually measure it, and it's without that room where all the air conditioning equipment and storage is AC, so we just didn't count it, but he did. And we're not sure if that man cave is AC or not, because the way the AC works, it comes out of the lights in here. It's like a commercial type thing.
We're going to go take a look at the next house, I promise you. But man, kind of hard to leave this. Okay, we're at house number 5. There's some cool houses on tour today. We're in a place called Seitz Hombre. Now, the seller is going to have cookies and coffee and all kinds of stuff. So let's go inside and take a look at it. An office, roll top desk, dining area, stairs going up.
So you have formal dining, breakfast, wine free, a huge kitchen with lots of storage.
Look at that view. We also have the homeowner here, as I said earlier. Look at this kitchen.
Hey, thank you.
Hey, Julie. How are you, ma'am? Good to see you again.
These look wonderful.
So this is the room I was telling you guys. You'll go through the dog right there. If they're gone and they don't have the dogs with them, she'll have the garage door opening here, and you'll just have to go up that way to go through the garage. You can also get to the garage upstairs, and I'll show you that as well. But they'll try to have the dogs gone when they have enough notice.
Cookies go fast.
These are good. Yeah.
The other one was 774. I don't know what
This
this
one's glass.
Isn't this interesting? The little inlet.
Oh,
It is.
it's 4 bedroom, 3.5 bath, 4,500 square feet, 2008 built, 8 feet of waterfront, 749.
Very nice that it goes around.
Good cookies.
So you have a
Look at that waterfront. Look at the way runner lifts.
cute little storage thing over here.
A peninsula going out through there. Pine trees.
You have touring over here.
Great decks.
Those cookies are wonderful.
Oh, I like the little house.
Oh, you.
Well, now we're heading to the next house. But we're going to get a cookie first. Now we're only about halfway through with this tour, and we've already driven about 80 miles around the lake. We've been gone for about 2.5 hours, and we still have several more houses to look at. Now, as realtors, we go in, we look around, we spend 5, maybe 10 minutes in the house at the most, go out to the waterfront, take a look at things, make comments. But as you can see, realtors have a great life, and it's pretty neat when the seller has cookies and coffee and water and all sorts of stuff. So let's go. Man, we've got some great houses on tour today. Look at this. Let's go inside.
Got a great outdoor area, guys. Let's look at 2 boats and 3 other seats. Got 2 wings that would make it like a great his one room and girl bunker. Man, I got that.
Going outside. Oh my gosh. Look at this view. Welcome to the lake. Oh wow. Oh, pecan tree. Oh, here we go. Got an outside bar. Look at this. Isn't that neat? Nice seating area.
Well, if he's there, then they can deal with it.
Interesting bar stools.
Lights out the room.
Oh,
stadium.
yeah, no, he canceled. He pulled out. Okay. All right, thanks. Bye. Okay, did you hear that, Stan? He's over there right now. He's
Down
gonna
there, and if he's here, then they can work it out.
He's gonna run a hose, and turn the water off for it.
Okay, that's fine.
That's what we.
Still inside, going through the kitchen.
It's water bottles up there.
Man, this is really nice.
I like the prep sink.
Those ceilings. I'll tell you, we've got some great homes on tour today. We're heading to the next one. Well, we also list commercial buildings. This one's right up here by the airport. And you can see everybody's getting ready to go inside. This is about 10,000 square feet. Used to be a manufacturing place for embroidery and all sorts of school uniforms and things. So, not going to bore you with the inside, but if you're looking for a commercial property, this would be it. Got one more house after this. Well, we're still at this listing commercial building, but I wanted to show you the airport. Yeah, got some hangars out here, and they actually land planes here. Yeah, pretty cool. But this is a huge building. But you can't sit out here and watch the planes land when they do land. Okay, we're at the last house on tour today, and it's about 10 minutes till 1. This house has a workshop, which you can see right there. It is on the water. It is a huge, huge house. Great setting. Barking dog comes at no charge, of course. Pretty interesting. Let's go inside and take a look.
Down, and then the other bedrooms are up. Maybe there's an extra lot that they bought that they're on sale for $120. It's not included, it's right next to there, it's always from it.
Okay, try 902.
Now they rent this house out a lot. It sleeps like 15 people.
So it's really long and narrow.
It goes all the way back up to the main road. I don't know how far we are. Yeah. So you can have
This lot of acres.
So yes, correct.
Hey, this looks like where I went in Costa Rica. What do you think the depth is? Do you know?
Looks like a restaurant I went to in Costa Rica.
Does it? Yeah, interesting. So here's your lot. Here's your boathouse. The area down by the water. Yeah, it's kind of cool. Fans are on. Little bar. She had some good times in here. I'm not sure why that opens, but that is a dartboard.
That extra lot includes the boat. That's what I was gonna say, so they,
120. So it's just under 3 acres.
oh, it is.
Goes all the way to that street up there. Front, main
That's
street
what I was
that's
gonna
taken out.
ask you, so if
long
they
and
don't,
skinny.
if they don't sell,
Okay, Gary.
this sells.
They'll sell before they'll sell. Or they'll sell them together and they'll give a good deal.
Okay, well this concludes our Johnson Monroe tour. We have it every Tuesday, virtually every Tuesday of every week of all the new listings that all the agents bring on, and anywhere it can be from 2 to 3 houses to 10 to 12 houses. This depends on the time of year, but now you kind of get an idea of what we do. We've been 4 hours, 8 houses, and around the lake, so hope you enjoyed it. Take care and come to the lake.